Hello from Disney's Yacht Club Resort. We are in room 4069 and I'm gonna do a little room tour. These rooms have gotten a really nice refurbishment. Not a refurbishment, like a soft goods refurb. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you this view. This room is fantastic. This is the second time that we have stayed here at Disney's Yacht Club and we absolutely love it. The soft goods refurb was perfect. So let's go look at the room. We have dropped our stuff off here, so you are gonna see some things because we live in this room. So starting at the door, you walk in, it is so spacious, light and bright in here. We have the coffee bar area, which has the mini fridge. It is pretty standard for a Disney Deluxe resort. You have your Keurig, you have your coffee, and all of the things that you're gonna need for that. You have your coffee cups up here and you do have some shelves. We've put some waters up there. And this is where we like to put all of our snacks and also like our magic bands and things like that can live up here. Moving right over here, we have some lovely closet space. Floor to ceiling closet space. I love that these closets have the lights in them with the luggage rack and then your hangers. Nothing like super fancy here with this, just your standard Disney Deluxe resort closet space. And then also has this other little storage space here. And this room does have an iron and an ironing board, which is interesting. Okay, so moving on to the bathroom. This is where there's me, hello. We have the new wallpaper, which is so fun with the knots and the hidden Mickey. How cute is that? And then there's some new lighting in here. I believe maybe these mirrors might have been redone. Regardless, you have the two standard sinks, tons of storage here. One of my favorite parts about staying at Yacht Club is having this sliding door to separate off the bathroom from the rest of the room. Super convenient, love that. So moving on to the shower portion, you have a lovely rainfall style shower head, which is amazing. We do have a shower tub combo, which we are fine with. We don't really care either way, but if you have a preference one way or another, make sure to request the shower if that's what you prefer. Then we have the H2O products, which are no longer branded as H2O, but we know that they are. So the bathroom in here got a little update. It does have that blue color on the walls, which is really nice. And then does have a pocket door here to separate off your potty and your shower, which is another bonus point here. Then onto the rest of the room. This room does connect with the one next door, which is lovely if you need it. And there's the TV there, a dresser with lots of drawers and things that you might need, extra pillows and blankets in here. So moving on to the bed scenarios. So this is new, a new pull down couch. It is the fifth sleeper portion of the room. So this will pull down. This is where a child can sleep, an adult can sleep. It's wonderful. And then we have the new lamps over here. I love this theming. Then there's the artwork here. It says Queen Minnie. How cute. Love that added touch. And then there are two queens in these rooms. Another piece of artwork that is new from the last time we were here. Queen Minnie, I absolutely love that. So cute. I love that they've added the red in here. It definitely adds a much needed little pop of color because they were a little plain. I mean, they were fine before, but a little plain. This carpet is new also, which is, it's definitely giving like Disney cruise vibes, which you know I'm here for. Have the new pillows. And then this room does have the desk and the chair. Amazing. These rooms are giant. We absolutely love them and they are fantastic. On to the view. We have in room 4069 this is a water view room with, they do have the balcony, the double locked balcony, which is wonderful. And it has the sliding glass door right on out to the giant balcony. Oh my goodness, it's cold. Look at the view. So That right there is the main entrance into Yacht Club. This is the boardwalk here. That is Spaceship Earth, right from our balcony. How amazing. This room is fantastic. The balcony is enormous, has 2 chairs and a little table. This room, it's just amazing. All right, that's all I have for this room tour. I'm obsessed with this room. So spacious, and this view, 10 out of 10, no notes. Thank you so much for watching this room tour. Definitely hit that subscribe button so you can see all of the Disney adventures that we go on. I take my family to Disney and share all of our tips and tricks and everything that we learn on our adventures. I also co-own Simple Magic Travel Company, and I share all of my work adventures on here as well. So hit that subscribe button because there's gonna be a lot more fun coming. I hope this room tour was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.